Want to run the world's most powerful AI models with just a single line of code? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Replicate, a cloud API platform that lets you run, fine-tune, and deploy open-source machine learning models without needing a massive supercomputer at home. Whether you want to generate stunning images, create music, edit videos, or run advanced language models, Replicate puts thousands of community and official AI models right at your fingertips. So, how does it actually work? Replicate is built to be incredibly developer-friendly. If you know even a little bit of Python or Node.js, you can integrate state-of-the-art AI into your projects almost instantly. You grab an API token, copy a few lines of code, and you're ready to go. But even if you aren't a hardcore coder, they offer a try-for-free option on their website so you can explore what these models can do. The sheer variety of models here is wild. You can run top-tier image generators like OpenAI's GPT Image 2, Google's Nano Banana 2 for conversational editing, and ByteDance's Seed Dream 5 Lite. Beyond just generating images from text, Replicate allows you to generate speech, create original music, restore old or blurry photos, turn static images into videos, and even write captions automatically. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the convenience is unmatched. You don't have to worry about configuring complex local environments or buying expensive graphics cards. Replicate handles all the scaling in the cloud. However, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have access to a broad database of user reviews or long-term customer feedback for this platform yet. From a practical standpoint, a potential downside is that to get the absolute most out of Replicate, you will need some basic coding knowledge to work with their APIs. Overall, if you want a fast, scalable way to experiment with and deploy the latest open-source AI, Replicate is definitely worth checking out. Head over to replicate.com to try it for free and see what you can build. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI model you're planning to run first. See you in the next video.